Why does your scanner show the P1155 engine code? What does it mean? P1155 is a diagnostic trouble code for air or fuel ratio, sensor heater circuit malfunction bank to sensor 1. This code indicates an air-fuel sensor heater circuit malfunction, specifically on bank 2 or sensor 1. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Connector issues. Faulty AF sensor. Blown fuse or relay. Exhaust leaks. Aftermarket sensor issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Lexus and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.